Hello everyone, my name is David Richard from Weekly Tools. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest tools to enhance your vehicle maintenance experience. In today's video, we have something special lined up for you, the Autel MaxiCheck PRO. We'll be taking a deep dive into this powerful diagnostic tool, exploring its features, performance, and how it can revolutionize the way you handle vehicle diagnostics. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. The Autel MaxiCheck PRO is a comprehensive diagnostic tool designed for professional mechanics and avid car enthusiasts. This handheld device offers a wide range of functions to diagnose, troubleshoot, and maintain various vehicle systems, including the engine, transmission, ABS, seniors, and more. It's like having a personal mechanic in the palm of your hand. One of the standout features of the Autel MaxiCheck PRO is its extensive vehicle coverage. It supports over 40 vehicle makes from different regions worldwide, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of car models, whether you own a European, Asian, or American vehicle. The MaxiCheck PRO has got you covered. The MaxiCheck PRO also excels in its ability to perform advanced diagnostic functions. It can read and clear diagnostic trouble codes (DTCs), view live data streams, perform active tests, and even access the vehicle's ECU information. This level of detail allows you to pinpoint issues accurately and make informed repair decisions. Autel understands the importance of user-friendly interfaces, and the MaxiCheck PRO delivers on that front. The device features a large, vibrant color display with intuitive navigation menus, making it easy to navigate through various functions and retrieve information quickly. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, you'll find the MaxiCheck PRO to be a breeze to use. Now, let's talk about some of the specialized service functions this tool offers. The MaxiCheck PRO allows you to perform oil service resets, electronic parking brake EPB calibrations, battery management system, BMS resets, steering angle sensor SAS calibrations, and more. With these functions at your disposal, you can ensure your vehicle's systems are in top shape. Staying up to date with the latest vehicle models and software is crucial, and Autel understands that. The MaxiCheck PRO features built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to wirelessly download the latest updates directly to the device. This ensures that you have access to the most recent vehicle coverage and software enhancements, keeping your diagnostic tool current and relevant. The Autel MaxiCheck PRO is an impressive diagnostic tool that offers a wealth of features, excellent performance, and user-friendly operation. Its extensive vehicle coverage, advanced diagnostics, and specialized service functions make it an invaluable asset for both professional mechanics and car enthusiasts. So, if you're looking to take your vehicle maintenance game to the next level, we highly recommend considering the Autel MaxiCheck PRO. You can find more information and purchase links in the description below.